due diligence and research automation. In due diligence, the problem maybe isn't finding information, it's managing the overwhelming amount of it. This is where ChatGPT becomes a co-pilot. It can sift through documents, extract risks, and surface relevant information, giving you a clear starting point for analysis. Now let's jump into the demo. Here we will, number one, extract key information, and number two, identify and benchmark comparables. Firstly, with ChatGPT, we can extract information across documents. Instead of opening each DD file one by one, you upload and instruct. Here, I'm uploading 4 sample due diligence files across financials, legal notes, market research, and an investment memo. Together, they show you how ChatGPT can extract and organize this data together. The prompt to type is review these documents together. Summarize the key financial, legal, and market risks. As you can see, all the documents are uploaded here. Amazing. Over here, we can observe that the AI has consolidated financial risks, legal and regulatory risks, market and competitive risks, and given an overall risk assessment. The thing to point out as well is that the AI only uses the sources we provide and references them clearly. This reduces hallucination so you can trust the AI's output. Secondly, we are identifying comparables and competitors. The prompt here to type is identify all comparable companies or deals table with ARR, valuation, and multiples. This turns scattered references to other companies into a clean benchmarking table so you can use directly them in your valuation analysis. These 2 steps alone save hours of sifting through and analyzing these 4 documents. Now we can use GPT to continue with competitive research. My prompt here is benchmark target co against competitors with comparables. Create a table for output with both qualified and quantified evaluation criteria, highlighting where it is stronger or weaker. I'm going to use a reasoning model, GPT-5 Thinking. It takes longer, but gives more intelligent output. We can see the AI's reasoning here to understand how it thinks, given what we write. This will make you a better prompter. Here we can push ChatGPT further, not just summarizing, but directly comparing target code to peers and surfacing insights for investment committee decisions. Sweet, the output looks great. To continue deepening this analysis, I'll now show you how to use the deep research function. This allows you to go beyond your uploaded documents and bring in richer market data, competitors, and industry risks, giving you a fuller picture to work with. When using deep research, I recommend you to spend extra time and craft a great prompt. If you are in doubt of the quality of your prompt, you can simply ask the AI to create one that produces optimal output. My prompt here is, please create a prompt to use for deep research that will create a structured diligence report on target co. It should cover market competitors, comparables, strategic insights, legal, regulatory, and risks. Make sure it is MECE. MECE is a framework to structure information and stands for mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive. Simply, MECE means no overlaps, no gaps. It helps the AI analysis cover all options comprehensively and structure them without duplication. Wonderful. Now we have the prompt. We click the plus, select deep research, and copy paste it in. As you can see, deep research takes significantly more time as it scans multiple data sources from the internet. This is our output of deep research. It is long and comprehensive, but the deep research will be in our appendix as the investment committee won't have the time to read it all. When doing due diligence, what is valuable is transforming the complexity of your analysis into simplicity. Therefore, synthesis and a top-down answer is what the committee and stakeholders really want. Finally, let's generate a draft research summary report. The prompt here is, given this deep research report, create a structured due diligence summary investment recommendation. Now ChatGPT pulls it all together into a decision-ready report. the kind analysts usually spend days formatting. Magic. AI has taken hours off your plate. You can now go spend more time taking care of what only you can do as a human. Perhaps invest more time in your health, connect with a loved one, or build the startup of your dreams. Thanks for your time and attention. This is Ray from Build Club. We will see you in the next one.